So, Mr. Bikhchandani, what would be that point at which InfoEdge would say that, look, I'm an investor in these companies and I've benefited because of that, but now as an investor, it is time for me to cash out. How far are you away from that in Policy Bazaar and Zomato, Mr. Bikhchandani?
So look, we're not married to the stocks and those companies, but as long as we see growth coming and the fundamentals are improving every quarter, every year, we are in the business of maximizing value for our shareholders in the long run. Okay, we don't trade in these stocks. We're not stock market traders. And so as long as we see growth coming, I see no reason to sell. I was speaking to Rakesh Jhunjhunwala during COVID, over Zoom. And we were just discussing, it was just a shoot the breeze kind of conversation. He's also a co-founder of Ashoka University, so we had connected. And then we were discussing, investments in Zomato, Policy Bazaar, and he told me, Sanjeev, मैं एक चीज बोलूं? I said, क्या? He said, देखो, अगर एक बढ़िया company मिल गई ना, there's no reason why you shouldn't stay forever. So that's what I've done in Titan. And, it's really worked. So think about it. So essentially you're saying, think long term. You don't have to exit just because you have, you boxed yourself into being a financial investor. And if I don't encash, I'm not being true to my DNA. If there's growth in the company still, why not hang on? Unless you have some other better use for that cash.
What is your definition of growth when you say that you will stay invested in these companies as long as there is growth? Do you see enough and more growth visibility for 3 to 5 years in these companies?
In both of these, yes. There is growth expected, visibility hai, Blinkit maybe, food delivery maybe. Now ticketing business maybe. I'll give you a story. In the last 2 weeks, I have got more requests for tickets for the Diljit Dosanjh show than I have got cumulatively for admissions to Ashoka University. And I'm wondering, there are no tickets. I'm wondering, I'm making so many enemies of all my friends. I can't give you tickets. And it tells me that they're onto something.
Mr. Bikhchandani, can I also make a request for that same concert and a ticket, please?
I'll put you in the queue here.